guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a go to a party makeup look. All the products that I used today I'm gonna share with you guys, and let's get started. First thing first is the lens. Since I started learning to know how to put my lens on, it took me a lot of practice, but I figured it out. Now it takes less and less time, but I'm still struggle a little bit, and sometimes it takes me quite a long time to finish putting the lens on. Sometimes I give up, but I'll get now. I'm gonna apply my primer from Bday Party. This is one of my favorite primer before apply my cushion. I'm using the tone up cushion from Espor, the purple color, so it's adjust my skin tone, and it's brighten up my skin and not make it too yellowy. And then I start blending it down using a little sponge. Make sure it's blend well and blend into your skin before you apply your foundation, cushion, or whatever. I'm going to apply the little concealer to brighten up the area that need to be brightened up, like the under eye, the forehead, the side of my nose, and the chin. I'll also cover some of the blemishes. I also use a little bit of the So Natural spray to set it before I tap it out, before I blend it to my skin. So this way is helps set the concealer a little bit, and then it's easier to stay all day, keep your makeup all day without smudging. So for this step, I'll always take my time, because you always want a beautiful, nice, evenly blend cushion base. And then I set another layer of the setting spray, the fix setting spray, and then let it dry. Now I'm using my favorite powder, translucent powder from Carsland. It's a Chinese brand, but it's really good, and I like it a lot since it helps set my makeup, and then it's not too dry out my skin, or it's not too powdery. Sometimes it's get a lot of powder and you can inhale it and you can feel it, and it's not good. But this one is like enough, and it helps set your makeup effortlessly. Next, I'm going to use my favorite palette, contour palette from Judy Doll, to contour my nose. I try to do it every time now because I see the difference. You can see the difference like before and after, or like the day that you don't do contouring your nose and the day that you really put a little effort in it, and it changed. Your face look more dimensional, and it's look like it have more shape, more of a angle. Don't forget to contour or like fill in the line of your lower lips to make your lips look fuller. And then now we're going to use the white powder, the white pressed powder in the same palette to highlight the nose. So you know the dark shade come with the lighter shade, so it's have the contrast. And then a little bit on the tip of your eyes, because it's help open your eyes and then make it shine and make it brighter. A little bit on your upper lips and your chin. And now I'm going to use the dark contour in the palette to contour my chin, my cheekbone, so it's not so round and it's have more cut line, and I have that V line, and it's look more to shape. Doesn't have to do a lot, just enough to make sure that you're happy with it and your face look a little bit slimmer, and that's all you need. Now it's time for blush. I like to use a small blush brush to apply the blush in the middle, in the center of my cheekbone area. So as you see that little concentrate focusing area where your eyes are gonna look at, you see a little, not too dark, but a little bit on the nose too. And then do the highlight for the cheekbones, a little bit on the nose, chin. You guys know sometimes we're tired to do makeup all day, every day, because you have to go to work. I admire those people who like to go work from home, don't have to do makeup every day, to do whatever they want, take a break, nobody cares. But the things about makeup every day, doing my makeup every day, every morning, only with 10 minutes, that helped me improve my makeup a lot. I mean by a lot, because every day you only have like 10 minutes to do your makeup, and it's just a good practice that you only need to do the basic stuff, but you do it well to a point that you don't have to think about it, you just do it. Like for me, I do it every single day, and it's just helping me build up that certain skill for makeup that I haven't been doing it for so long. So I'm not saying like I'm mastering in makeup, but I'm not learning it from anywhere. I'm not go to school. I just practice and practice every single day. Sometime I'll show you guys a photo of my very first makeup that I put on. It's kind of funny, but looking back, it's reminded of the old lady who like to have a dark eyebrow, and then blue eyes, and then red lipstick, and it's like one of those iconic thing that you can remember of your grandparents' generation. But it's like a cool experience. From that point, I just learned how to do it better and better. And then sometimes just like you do it, you don't like your makeup, and then it's just you just realize that little thing that you do wrong. It's like next day you're gonna fix it, and then do it a little bit differently, and it change the look, it change how you look every single day. Even you do the same thing at the same amount of time. Sometimes you have more time, sometimes you have less, but it's just that fun of doing it. I'm always in a rush, guy. Go into work in the morning, make me like do my makeup super quick, and I don't like that at all. I like to be well prepared. I want to have more time to do my makeup, but it's not bad experience. Oh, I'm doing my eyes right now, so I'm kind of do like my under eye, the under eye that make your eye looks bigger and more looks younger. It's one of the Korean style, and then you make sure you blend it out, or else it's gonna look like you just draw lines on it. Make sure you blend it well if you have time, and then curl your lashes. For me, my lashes is not like super long or super strong. I always have problem curling it, so every time I feel like I curling it wrong, and it's take my lashes away. If you guys have any good tips or any good lash curler that you guys recommend, please put in the description or comment down below, and then let me know, because I really want to be able to do my lash well, especially when I don't using my fall lashes. I know I starting to like the fall lashes more and more, and the good thing about fall lashes is that I don't have to do to curl my lash, or if I do, I don't have to do that super curl or do heavy mascara on it. So right now I'm curling my lashes, and then I'm gonna put my false lashes on it too. But this is like when I first started doing fall lashes. I think most of people would do that is extra step, curling your lashes, and apply the fall lashes later with the mascara on, so it hold the curl better, and your eyes, the fall lashes will hold it up better instead of like going down. But for me, I feel like because my lashes is not that thick, I don't have to worry about it's going down. The fall lashes can hold it super well. So now I'm trying to apply the glue, and then I see, if you guys ever use it like lash glue, eyeglasses glue, it's like this one is one of the best from China that I watch a lot of Chinese TikTok, and it's just figure this out. But basically you just apply the glue on your lashes as of you doing your applying mascara, and give you a layer of glue right below your lashes, and then you just apply the fall lashes under your real lashes. And I find it works for me. It's like work perfectly well, since I don't think I can do the other way, like apply my fall lashes on top. But yeah, I'm done already. Now I'm gonna draw my eyeliner. So I'm just basically follow the line, follow the shape of my eyes for the lashes to go down a little bit and go out, so it's make my eyes look bigger. And now the main thing, of course, the eyebrow. I'm so envy of people who has beautiful, nicely shaped eyebrow, a lot of eyebrow, and I don't have any. I'm like, I had to draw it every single time. I always thought that why do people is born, like my sister, she is born with like a perfect, no, I mean it's not perfect, but she block her eyebrow uh, often, but her shape is like really obvious, and then it's super dark. She doesn't have to draw her eyebrow even if she have to do her makeup. But for me, I do my eyebrow every single time, make sure it's not too crazy or it's not um, too dark. But doing eyebrow is one of the things that take a lot of time, because most of the time I don't know what kind of shape I want. Sometimes I want is natural. Before I figure out my shape, I don't know what I want, so I draw like super sharp line eyebrow, and this figure is making my face look super old, like 10 years older. So now I figure just follow my shape, but whatever, now my makeup is basically done. I just need to finish my lips. It's a party, and I think my eyes like so nice and bold already. I think I'm not gonna go into crazy from the lips. That's what I thought. But I think I did apply quite a little bit of lipstick on this. Yeah, but I think overall it was a really super nice look. And as the beginning of the video, that's how I look, and that's how I was at the party. It's super fun, super cute. 100-day birthday, and enjoy a lot of good food. Got some cute little photos at the photo booth, and yeah, I think I got some compliment on my makeup and my dresses, and that made me so happy. It's like the thing about makeup is that every time you apply makeup on, and then somebody recognize your effort and like really look at you and I give you a nice compliment, and it's like, oh my god, it's make my day. I just want everybody like that, like you guys just learn to make yourself more beautiful, or like be confident in whatever you do to your face, and then that's it. Even a little like, oh, you look so pretty today, it's gonna change the whole thing. It's gonna make you feel more like, oh, I'm doing this for myself, not for anybody else. So, oh, and by the way, this is the free the Korean lips brand that I really like. That one of the lip gloss that doesn't feel sticky. Okay, that's it, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you guys next week.